Narinig ko rin sa inyong testimony na kinausap nyo si Acosta at si Colonel La Chica.
Yes, sir.
Base sa mga information nila, yun ang inilagay mo sa letter replies nyo to COA. Tama?
Yes, sir. That's correct, Your Honor.
Paki-narrate nga sa amin, ilang beses nyo pala na-meet si Colonel La Chica?
Sir, sa mga replies po, sir, I cannot exactly remember how many times, sir. But I can say more than once or twice, sir, I was able to meet Colonel La Chica to ensure na I get the information from him, sir, and that I'll be able to draft properly the replies to the AOMs.
So mga once or twice? Or
Around once or twice, sir. The exact number, sir, I cannot remember anymore, sir, because maraming documents po yung na-review, sir.
Pakikwento nga sa amin kung ano exactly yung kanyang sinabi sa inyo para ma-draft nyo itong reply.
For the AOMs, sir, I'll try to recall, sir, some of the issues that were raised on the AOM. So, say for example, sir, on the AOM comment regarding the use of the confidential funds for medical and food supply, sir. So, tinanong ko po siya kung paano po in-implement on ground yung pagbigay ng medical and food supplies to the informants and the agents. So from there po, sir, na-mention niya, sir, na the funds were released to the informants and agents based on the representation that those funds will be used for the purchase of medical and food supplies.
Kwento mo dyan sa'yo na siya mismo ang nagbigay sa mga informants?
Sir, hindi ko na po ma-recall, sir, if he mentioned specifically if siya po yung ang nag-distribute personally, sir, doon sa on the ground, sir, or implemented the release on ground.
Pero ang kwento niya sa iyo, cash ang ibinigay sa informants, hindi medical supplies or other supplies.
That's correct po, Your Honor.
Kwento niya ba sa iyo na mayroon ba siyang kasamang iba sa pagbibigay nitong cash? Kasi libo-libo yung acknowledgement receipts.
Hindi niya po nakwento specifically, sir. Although if I can recall, sir, based on my recollection, meron po siyang na-mention na meron po siyang mga, hindi ko alam kung ano yung term niya, sir, but meron siyang mga people who go directly on the ground, sir.
Pero kinonfirm niya sa'yo na kinuha niya yung 500 million pesos.
500 million, sir?
Yes, in four different tranches.
For the different funds, sir. It is of my assumption, sir, na siya po yung napagbigyan ng funds, sir.
In four different tranches?
For different tranches,
okay,
sir.
Nasabi niyo ba sa kanya na tinanong niyo ba sa kanya na yung mga ibang acknowledgement receipts ay questionable yung mga apelido?
Sir, at that time po, sir, I was not able to see the acknowledgement receipt, sir, because in the AOM, sir, the AOM indicated that we submit the DEPs or the documentary evidence of payment, sir. So I was not able to see it, sir. So nung binigay po sa akin ni Miss Gina Acosta yung mga DEP, sir, it was already in a sealed box, sir, and then we submitted that together with our reply to COA.
Paano niya raw dinistribute yung mga pera? No, kasi 500 million to, thousands and thousands of acknowledgement receipts. Paano niya ikunento sa inyo na dinistribute niya itong mga pera? Sino itong mga informants niya? Kasi kayo gumawa ng AOM, anong reply to the AOM?
Sir.
So, I would assume na tinanong niyo yung methodology ng pagdidistribute niya.
Sir, based on my recollection lang, sir, he mentioned na, yun nga, sir, meron siyang mga people, sir, who worked on the ground. That is only the extent of the information I can recall, sir, when I had a consultation with Colonel La Chica.
Yung pagpili ng informants, natanong niyo ba kung paano? At yung relevance ng informants dito sa inyong confidential operation?
Sir, I did not ask anymore, sir, because it was not the subject of the AOM, sir. So I was not able to check on him on that matter, sir.
Pero yung DEP, yung documentary evidence of payment, subject yan ng AOM, tama?
For submission, sir, we were required to submit the documentary evidence of
But did
payment, sir.
you tinanong niyo ba sa kanya kung paano niya nakukuha itong DEPs?
Sir, I did not ask anymore, sir. I just requested for the copies for the DEPs, sir, so that I can already submit it, sir, doon sa COA as an attachment to the AOM reply.
Paano kung yung DEPs peke? Paano kung yung kanyang narration sa iyo ay hindi totoo? Paano
Sir-
kung ganun ang situation?
Sir, at the time, sir, because he was designated as our security officer, sir, I
Designated by...
by the head of office, sir,
Which is the Vice
Sara
President.
Z. Duterte, sir. So, it is of my, sa tingin ko po, sir, na maayos naman po yung pagkakatrabaho ni Colonel Achika doon sa pag-dispense niya ng duty as the security officer.
Last question, Mr. Presiding Officer. Bakit parang nagkukuha ko buo yung tiwala ninyo sa kanya at kinuha nyo lahat ng information at yun ang ginamit nyo sa inyong reply to the COA? Bakit buo yung, nakita ko bakit buo yung tiwala, hindi kayo nag-probe na mga additional questions considering na kayo ang nag-justify nito sa COA at kayo pumirma, no, dito sa COA. So bakit parang kung anong sinabi niya, yun na lang ang linagay nyo sa inyong reply?
Well, first, sir, is because he's the security officer, sir. So, I believe, sir, na siya yung the best person that can provide the information. And then, second, sir, as the security officer, sir, he was designated by our head of agency, which I believe also gave the trust and confidence to him to implement the activity. So, kung ano po yung na-mention ni Colonel Achika sa akin during the time when I checked or asked for questions, yun po yung pinagbasihan ko for the drafting of the reply.
Thank you very much, Mr. Presiding Officer.
Thank you.